Buying metals on ApeMex is simple if you understand premiums, spreads, and storage first. If you remember one thing about buying precious metals on ApeMex, it's that spot price is only the starting line. Your real cost is spot plus a premium, and bars usually lower that premium compared to coins. The other cost most people miss is the spread, what you pay versus what you can sell for, so it's smart to compare both sides. You don't need a huge order. Even one widely traded coin works. Storage can be as simple as a safe, and selling typically takes days, not weeks. Before you click buy, decide whether you're solving for flexibility or lowest cost, because that's the coins versus bars decision. Then pick a practical size. Smaller pieces are easier to sell, but they usually carry higher premiums. Build your budget around the spread, not just the sticker price. If you're buying for an IRA, the metal must meet IRS rules. Most collectibles don't qualify. And an IRA requires a custodian and approved depository, with typical annual costs often around $200 to $400, plus possible setup fees. ApeMex purchasing is basically a 6-step workflow, and the key is controlling 2 moments: availability and price lock. Start by choosing coins or bars, then confirm the item is actually in stock so you're not planning around a backorder. Your price is locked at checkout, not when you're browsing. Next, choose payment. Card is convenient but can cost more, while wire is often cheaper. After that, track the order from processing to shipped and expect insured delivery with a signature so it doesn't sit unattended. How you handle the metal after delivery matters as much as what you bought because it affects taxes, security, and resale friction. Inspect the package first, then document your cost basis right away. What you paid is what you'll use for gain or loss later. A home safe avoids annual fees, but you take on more responsibility. A bank box adds security but limits access and can have bank hour restrictions. Private vaults offer professional storage for a recurring cost. Whichever route you choose, know your exit spread so your selling price doesn't surprise you. Most regrets with ApeMex purchases come from 5 avoidable mistakes, and they all trace back to skipping the math and the rules. If you ignore premiums, you can overpay in one afternoon, especially on small coins. If you forget spreads, you won't notice the cost until you sell. Buying collectibles is a different hobby, not a clean investment plan. For IRAs, eligibility matters, and home storage inside an IRA can trigger taxes and penalties. And without an exit plan, who you'll sell to and what spread you'll accept, you'll hesitate at the worst time. If you don't track premium and spread together, you can't know your real return. The smart investor matches you to the right way to buy, physical metals or an IRA. Then shows the real dollar cost difference between providers for your investment size, free in about 3 minutes. Links in the description.